Today is all about dark academia Halloween DIYs. Project number 1 is a black moth pick. I'm going to be using this package of butterflies from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some smaller ones and stick them to this tape so that I can paint them easily. I'm using Waverly chalk paint and ink, and I am painting the front and the back. I then hot glued the butterflies onto an old pick that I had removed the flowers from. I had also given it a coat of black spray paint. Again, I'm using some Dollar Tree butterflies for this project as well. I'm taking a variety of sizes and I'm painting them with the black Waverly chalk paint and ink. I did choose one small butterfly to use my gold paint pen on. I'm using one of 3 different sizes, and I'm going to be putting those onto skewers and then putting them up underneath this little cloche. I added a bit of moss to cover up the glue. For project number 3, I used one of the Dollar Tree skulls, and I used a hot knife to cut the skull in half. Once it was cut in half, I did use a sanding block to sand away some of those sharp, jagged edges. I then took both sides outside and gave both sides of the skull, inside and out, a coat of gold spray paint. I cut a small hole in each of the skulls in the same place on both sides so that I could insert some of these tumbling tower blocks to make the skulls stand up. I did have to use 2 tumbling tower blocks on each one to make the shape of a T in order for them to stand up. I then used some of those black butterflies again and glued them in various places on the skull. These make the perfect spooky yet chic bookends. This is really more of a glamorous dark academia Halloween DIY. I'm going to be making some spooky lanterns with these two glass vases from Dollar Tree and a thrifted piano roll. I cut the piano roll to size and then placed it inside the container and measured the top so I knew how much to trim off the excess. Once I got it to fit the way I wanted it to, I did use a glue stick to glue the two edges together. I'll be adding a battery-operated tea light to each one to create the perfect spooky ambiance. If you've enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Share the chic. Bye now.